What's up? So today I've decided to do a kind of flight vloggy video. I have the Geebee, I have a rucksack full of goodies, and I have the quadcopter. So it's a little bit windier than it stated it was on the good old XC weather forecast. So we'll give it a go. Chuck the planes up in the air, get my new quad up, made in the quad. I've got that cheapy little £10 corner shop toy plane as well. Although it's going to be way too windy for that, but if it dies down we'll have a go. So yeah, this is where I roll the footage if I get any from the planes. So, just had a good little float with the Geebee. I did just try and get the quadcopter up in the air, however, the flight controller has reset, it's lost all its settings. So before I had a chance to, as soon as I plugged the battery in, the motor's fired up, full chat, which decided to take a big chunk out of my hand. So that's now fucked. I give up with that quad, I'm going to bin it. I use the motors for another project. The FPV can go in an RC car or something. So I've swapped the prop over on the Geebee. The wind's died down a lot now, so we're at 8x6 instead of an 8x4 slow fly, so hopefully it'll be a bit quicker. I want to try and get some high-speed runs. And then after that we'll try and get the toy grade flyer out. So if I've got the footage from the FPV camera that's on the front of the quad, see what that looks like shredding my hand. And then, if that doesn't look too appealing, then let's just get the Geebee back in the air and do some more flying. No. Oh no. Right, so that sucks. I just lost a little blue plane up in a tree, and there's no way I'd get down. I might come back and try with a great big stick later, but I think that's it. End of the little blue plane. So a pretty shit day, you know. Quad fucked up, ripped my hand apart. I snapped the Geebee in half, so that can that can be repaired. I'll get that back together when I get back. Well, that was not really a success at all. I mean, I had some nice flights with the 3D Geebee 3D, whatever you want to call it, until I ditched it into the dirt, snapped it kind of clean in half, and filled the motor up with mud. And the quadcopter's all shot to pieces. So what I'm going to do now is I shall run some cyano down there. Let's put that back together, because it's snapped at the weakest point. We can fix that. I'm going to strip the quadcopter down, and I'm going to add the FPV onto my buggy, which is hidden up here at the top. So we're going to have FPV on the FTX Outlaw, which I've been trying to do a video on the FTX Outlaw, but unfortunately the camera that I bought to do the video with was faulty, so I had to return it, and therefore I haven't had a chance to finish it yet. So the next video, hopefully, will be the Outlaw and the Dingo, because I want to see how fast the Dingo actually goes. I'm going to stick a little GPS meter on there, and I'm just going to give it some beans down the runway, down where we were flying today. There's a runway down the side, and just see if I can see what sort of speeds it hits, because I may have put a 7,000 kV in runner on it by mistake, and it's too bloody quick. So FPV and a GPS meter, I'm just going to stick a screen up and just go for it and see how fast I can actually get it to go. As for the Outlaw, that needs a program card so I can reprogram the brushless motor, because at the moment it's a bit lacking. So yeah, bit of a crap first flight vlog as it is, but yeah, my hand's bandaged up now at least. So I'm going to get this stuff sorted, and I'll see you on the next video.